This topic is all about the present value and future value. So the difference between the two is that when we say present value, it tells you the current worth of a future sum of money. And while future value gives you the future value of cash that you have now. That's why we have here the formula. The future value is equal to present value times the quantity 1 plus I raised to n. And for the present value, we have here the future value over quantity 1 plus I raised to n. When we say I, that is your interest rate. When we say n, that is the number of compounding period per year. We have here problem. So this is a word problem related to future value. You deposited 1,000 pesos in a bank with an interest rate of 5% for 1 year. What is the future value of your deposit? So for your formula, we have here present value times quantity 1 plus I raised to n. So for the present value, we have 1,500 pesos. And for your I, for the interest rate, we have here the 5%. And of course, raised to n, which is the number of compounding periods per year, which is 1 year. So we have here the formula. FB is equal to 1,500 times quantity 1 plus 0.05 raised to 1 is equal to 1,575. Take note of your exponent. It depends on how many years it will be. Now let's find the present value. We have here an example. You need to save up for 1,500 in 1 year. How much should you save now if the bank offers a rate of 5%? So you have to find the present value because it gives you the future value of cash that you have right now. I'm sorry, it tells you the current worth of a future sum of your money. So how much should you save now? That's why it's asking for the worth of a future sum of money. We have here the present value is equal to future value over quantity 1 plus I raised to n. So it is equal to 1,500 over quantity 1 plus 0.05 raised to 1 is equal to 1,428.55 pesos. So that would be all. Thank you, and I hope you learned a lot when it comes to present and future value.